Posted a 17% jump in half-year profit after tax to 34.6 billion shillings, up from 29.6 billion shillings last year. The performance, the lender says, is driven by higher interest income and reduced costs. The group also recorded its strongest quarterly performance in history at 22.9 billion shillings in the second quarter of 2025. Jasmine Wamboi has the details.
I'm a startup executive.
Equity Group's profits have grown sharply despite the tough economic conditions. In the first 6 months of the year, the bank posted a net profit of 34.6 billion shillings. In the second quarter alone, the bank made a record 22.9 billion shillings in profit before tax, much higher than its average over the past 4 years.
What does this show? It shows the resilience we have been able to build in the group during this transformation.
The performance was boosted by a 9% rise in net interest income, an 18% drop in interest expenses, and a 34% reduction in loan loss provisions. The lender's loan book grew 4% to 825.1 billion shillings. Customer deposits rose 2% to 1.32 trillion shillings, and total assets climbed 3% to 1.8 trillion shillings. Shareholders' funds increased by 25%, while earnings per share rose by 16% to 8 shillings and 80 cents.
We have been telling it as a story, but it appears we have won the trust and the confidence of investors. So we have seen a structural positioning, and we're very excited to see that the social security funds in the region now anchor the bank.
Subsidiaries registered strong recoveries, with profit after tax rising by 40% in Kenya and Uganda, 75% in Tanzania, and 22% in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Regional banking units now contribute half of the group's deposits, loan book, and revenue. The group has credited the results to its transformation strategy, including governance changes, technology upgrades, and a focus on critical sectors such as agriculture, mining, and SMEs. Jasmine Wamboi.